Right, this is Dave here. Going to share with you my new tool post I've just made. There we are. Nice one. Look at that. Nice tool post. So what I've done, dovetail joints in there either side. Cut a nice slot, that's 2mm, 10mm drill bit down there. So there we are. That's about it really. That's all you need to know. Nice bit of milling on the top. Nice bit of milling down there. Nice and smooth. It's like a baby's bottom. Right. Little tip for you. This is the parting off tool. So, as you can see, I use it upside down. It cuts much better upside down. And when you do use it upside down, you put the lathe in reverse. And it cuts nicely, doesn't jump, works pretty good. That's that one. Now I have made one of these, which I saw on Pinterest. Used it, not impressed. It's not as good as doing it upside down. So anyway, there it is. Drops on there. It's not quite the same as the guys, but near enough. That just drops in. There we are. It does work, but not over brilliant. It's actually easier upside down. And if you're going to cut small radiuses, you do them upside down as well. So if you've got a radius tool and you're going to cut something like this, just grab that, see? Now if you're going to make something like that, nice little radius in there, what you do is you put the tool in upside down, put the machine in reverse, and it cuts absolutely perfect. Now over here I have got some tools for Whitworth. Now you can see, look, TPI is 5 and 12, up to 5 and 12. These are the tools, and when you use these are upside down as well. So when it goes in the tool loader, you put it upside down and use the machine in reverse. Cuts absolutely wonderful. I got loads of these, 3 tinfuls. So we are 12 to 20. So that's that one, look. And they're all in there, look. See where I've had them in. And I've got the full sets. When I got them, I bought the lot off of a guy. I've used them a couple of times, made a few Whitworth threads, but really I don't need to. I'm doing all metric these days. So we are 22 to 36 TPI, and there they are, look, loads of them. Never been out of the cupboard, look, all the plastic still on them. And you use them upside down. And they are marked on the ends, look. So that one's 32. So you know exactly what you're doing. So when you put it in the machine, you plonk her in upside down to cut the thread. I know you think that's not right, but that is how you use them. So yeah, it's cool. Just thought I'd let you share in that one, because I know some of you on these little lathes haven't quite sussed it all out. And that is the parting off tool, the tool post I've made, and it works nice. Nice tool post. It's a bit bigger than it should be, but I don't care. That is so easy to use. So that's my tool post. New one. That's half as big as the original one. But it does hold the tools a treat. So this is Dave signing off. Catch you on the flip side. Buysy buys. Whoosh, we're gone. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up, and don't forget, subscribe. We will have some more later. That's the mini lathe tools. This is a 920 lathe, by the way, before I forget. Whoosh, we're gone.